So you can see here that KC has worked with this brow, and if I was to take you to the after shot, you will see here that the tattoo is still underneath here. We cannot remove a tattoo, and I would never recommend that you even begin to think that you're going to do that, right? Or tattoo on top of it and on top of it again and again. You will scar yourself. You cannot keep doing that. Now, I would encourage anyone that does these treatments to come and have a debate with me, and I would debate with them without a shadow of a doubt, and because I have absolutely no issue with that, because I'm sticking to the facts. Okay, and this is what's really important, and this is how I empower you, and I empower other beauty professionals to ask the right questions before they go and spend sometimes tens of thousands of dollars trying to learn this type of treatment. So when we have a look at this brow, you can see that TrueBrow, with its principles, not rules, but principle-based, mastery-based education, has actually allowed this woman to get back her beautiful natural beauty. You can see that the tattoo is still under there. She's got a little bit of the brow powder over the top to just give her that little, to hide it a little bit. And I would suggest to you, please do not try and remove tattooing. You know, I just, it's one of those things, isn't it? That, you know, 10, 12 years later, 20 years later, 30 years, 40, 50, we go, oh my gosh, you know, what were we thinking back then? Don't do that to your beautiful beauty. Like, just don't do it. Like, go and see a TrueBrow specialist. Do whatever you can to find someone that is a specialist. Like, we train our girls, we coach them weekly. They come to us and they bring brows like this that are in their salons, and we give them the world's top natural brow educators are on it, supporting and helping them. And so when you see a brow like this and you think, wow, but what happened to that tattoo? You can see it's still there, but this brow is now looking beautiful. And this is with all her natural hair. I want to just tell you that this is her natural hair. This is all her natural hair. There is nothing here that is an implant, that is any sort of serum-based growth or anything like that. We're talking about what's natural, what's hers. It always has been hers. So you might want to ask yourself, what are we thinking when we're microblading or PMUing, tattooing anything on our faces? And you know, girls, I'm not here to be judgmental again or critical. I want to talk about the facts. And you can even find a video on TrueBrow on Facebook of me speaking about my biggest beauty blunder, so that you can get a sense of what I'm talking about here right now. We all make errors in judgment. We can make a choice, but when our choice is not given to us because we have all the information, we're not making a choice because without all the information, that is devastating to a human being, right? Why didn't you tell me? If you told me that, I might have chosen something else. This is the whole dispute, really. And it doesn't even have to be a dispute, that's the wrong word, but this is the whole point that we're presenting to you at TrueBrow with alternative treatments in the beauty industry. Some of them are just magnificent, you know, and but this PMU, this microblading, this use of marketing to give women a supposed quick fix, it just is causing so many tragedies and so many difficulties. And even us, you know, the world's natural brow authority, the experts, the specialists, like the PhDs of this world when it comes to the natural brow, TrueBrow, some of them even we're struggling with because they're just so severe. And I'm going to be bringing these to you, and I want you to share them. I want you to share them with your friends. I want you to give people, you know, a true look in. It doesn't matter what they tell you when they're telling you that they're doing a softer approach, it's going to fade. You know, this is your face. And I have no other words but to just say to you, buyer beware, and listen to the facts. Ask for the facts. You have every right. It's been beautiful being with you here today. I'm going to keep coming to you, and I'm going to be presenting to you the tragedy and then the miracle. You know, like, look at this. This is unbelievable. KC in North Dakota, Watford. Look for her. She's one of my top TrueBrow experts, specialists, artists. You can call them whatever you want. These women are dedicated to preserving the natural brow. That's their number one focus. And this is what she's done today. You know, even though you know, we had such a tragedy before that we were seeing. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a glorious day, and just keep shining. Bye for now.